The Events tab of our Fomo dashboard is where we can go to get a quick glimpse of all the notifications currently showing off on our website. While no action is required on the Events tab, it's a useful place to go to debug specific connections. For example, suppose that I was getting a lot of spam signups for my MailChimp list and people were entering values like ASDF. To avoid showing those notifications on my website, I can create a template rule underneath the MailChimp template and set it to ignore anything with the value of ASDF in the first name variable. To verify that that template rule is set up properly, I can come to my Events tab and click the Removed Events tab to understand why notifications are being ignored and for what purpose. In this example, Nick started a free trial was ignored due to a capture ratio rule. Capture ratio is a feature that lets you only show a percentage of notification values from a given connection. In our case, we have enough free trials happening every few minutes that we want to make room for code commits and ticket closes and upgrade type notifications as well. So by looking here, I can see that indeed all of my free trials are working properly, but some of them are being ignored because I set a capture ratio. In this case, we can see that the badge removed means that either myself or one of my team members deleted this notification. Perhaps they did that because the name didn't come through and it just says someone great. If I think that this shouldn't have been removed, I can recover it, and I can further look at my template rules to avoid these being deleted in the future. If you want to look at specific notifications from a given connection, in our case we have several connected, I can click from the drop-down on just that template's integration. Here I'm looking at Stripe charges and I can see people signing up for different Fomo plans, upgrading. I can see that my maps are working when we know their location, and I can also see people paying for ad payments or for our connections to BigCommerce. So again, the Events tab is just a way to debug and get a quick glimpse at what's going on in your website, and you can also get a shortcut of the Events tab directly from your Fomo dashboard.